Al and Barb Johnson own the Terry Creek Ranch in the Centennial Valley south of Centennial, Wyoming. In 2022, 640 acres of their property was put into a Rocky Mountain Elk Foundation conservation easement. The property is a critical pathway between the Snowy Range and Sheep Mountain and is utilized by elk, mule deer, and moose that travel through the property in late fall and spring. The Johnsons' property is comprised of coniferous forest, aspen, mixed mountain shrubs, rangeland, riparian areas, and native and introduced grass hay meadows. Pronghorn, beaver, and other fur bearers, along with mountain lions, black bears, migratory waterfowl, and many non-game species of wildlife are known to utilize the property for portions of the year. In the last 3 years, they have converted nearly all fences on the property to wildlife-friendly, totaling 6.5 miles. Many of these fences are pole-top on the U.S. Forest Service boundary or are cable-top to allow big game to see the fence better as it is approached. In 2020, the Mullen Fire ripped through the property, and the Johnsons have been focused on rehabilitation, restoration ever since. Native grass, forb, seedings, timber management to reduce soil erosion. The owners were featured in a My Wildlands short film about their conservation efforts. Terry Creek Ranch has allowed department personnel access to and through the property to U.S. Forest Service lands to access habitats, retrieve moose collars, and provide habitat management recommendations. Al and Barb are consistent participants at local Sheep Mountain Mule Deer Initiative and U.S. Forest Service vegetation planning meetings. Their input is valuable and appreciated. Al and Barb have encouraged neighbors to leave gates open and convert fences to wildlife-friendly specs to facilitate migrations of wild ungulates in the spring and fall. The Terry Creek Ranch sits in an important location, and their efforts to permanently protect the property from subdivision was a critical step to link the Snowies to Sheep Mountain. It is with gratitude and appreciation to Al and Barb Johnson that the Wyoming Game and Fish Department presents them with this award.